Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're heading out to NAIA Terminal 8. And guess what? We're going back to Japan! And we have a special guest! Hi Mother Earth!
Hi!
We'll see you at Terminal 3! guys! So, we've arrived at Terminal 3. Nakapasok na rin kami sa aming boarding gate. So, diba? For the hingal ang person. Ayan, hindi. Boarding gate number 106 kasi kami. So, sa pinakadulo pa siya. As in, dulong-dulo po talaga. So, ako ay papunta ngayon sa pinakaharap. Dahil nagugutom na si Mother Earth. So, kailangan kong bumili ng food. Actually, meron din kaming food sa plane, pero iinom na daw kasi siya ng gamot. So, I have to buy food. Currently, ayan, time check, it's 11:28 and boarding time namin is 12:30. So, 1 hour. Kaya medyo nagmamadali ang person. Mamadali ang person. Hindi ko na po kayo na-run through dun sa process ng aming check-in, drop-off, and immigration. So, yung maganda dito sa travel namin ngayon is dineclare ko si nanay na kailangan assistance, which is wheelchair assistance. Tapos, merong staff ng Cebu Pacific na nag-assist sa amin all throughout. So, simula dun sa parking area, nakakuha ako ng wheelchair. Tapos, pumasok ako dun sa loob ng airport to ask for assistance. Ayun, may binigay sila sa amin na staff. And all throughout, kasama namin siya. So, yung nag-aasikaso kay nanay. Tapos, nag-assist din siya sa amin. So, kudos kay kuya na nag-assist. Ayan. Ilang minutes yung paglalakad. Roughly, it's about 2 minutes na ako nagsasalita. So, 2 minutes na tayo naglalakad ng mabilis. And we're still not yet there. Diba? Wala pa tayo. Siguro another minute. Kala mo ano, no? ETA. Ayan. Sorry, no? Hindi ako masyadong makapag-vlog. Hindi ko masyadong mapakita yung kung ano meron dito sa loob ng international na departure for international flights kasi ayan, for the madali ang person. At dahil kailangan uminom din natin ng gamot, kailangan natin makabili kaagad ng food. Share ko lang, no? Sana maganda yung boses ko. Sana maganda yung audio. Because I'm using a new microphone. Ayan. Baka bagong mic tayo ngayon for today's video. Diba? Sound check. 1, 2, 3. Pan DJ. Okay. Aliwin natin ang sarili natin habang naglalakad tayo, habang pinagtitingin na tayo kasi may camera tayo sa mukha. Diba? Outfit of the day. So, malapit na ako. Konti na lang. Aabot na rin tayo ng Kenny Rogers. Before, noong unang travel namin ni Zero, Gate 106 din kami. Kaya lang we were transferred to Gate 111. Kasi under construction last year yung 106. But now, ayun, gawa na. So, doon na talaga kami. Ayan. Pagod. And nandito na po tayo sa Kenny Rogers. Wait, ang dami tao. Ayan. And we're at Kenny Rogers. So, estimated na walk is 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So, I'll get back. Order lang ako pagkain. Whee! Order lang ako pagkain ni nanay. Hi guys! So, naka-order na ako ng food ni Nanay dito sa Kenny Roger. So, in-order ko is solo meat. Ayan. So, that's chicken, rice, tas dalawang side dish. Yung side dish niya would be steamed vegetables, tapos mixed fruits. And kumuha rin ako ng 3 bottled water, isang hindi malamig at 2 malamig. Para sa amin, 2 din zero. Yung malamig kay Nanay hindi. Busog pa kasi kami. Ayan. Kasi bago kami pumunta ng Terminal 3, umorder muna kami thank you, sa drive-thru ng, Dunkin. So, nakuha ko na yung order. Ilalagay ko na yung bottled water para hindi ako mahirapang magbitbit. And, ayan. Wait lang, baka tumapon yung tubig. So, time check, it's 11:40 na po. So, kailangan ko na talagang bumalik. I need to go fast. Fast daw. Ayan. Actually, nagpapacheck si Mami ng ice cream. Wait lang. Ayan. 2 tubs, 2 gallons, 1,800 in a box. So, kailangan ko na ice cream. Ube. Ma'am, may available po na ube ice cream? Ube? Ayan, teka lang. Check lang tayo kung may ube. Ube ang gusto ni Daddy. Pwede po ba magkaiba? Or kailangan isa lang na brand? I mean yung brand, pwede magkaiba? Hindi, dito lang. Sige, isang ube, makapuno, tapos isang ube. Pwede ba yun? Ano pa yung flavor? Wala na iba, no? Chocolate, vanilla. Okay na yan? Sige, ate. Tapos, kailangan mo yung flight details? Sige po. Ayan, teka lang, bili lang ice cream. So, yan. Yung kinuha natin ay ube at saka ube makapuno. So, that's around 1,800. Pero, nakalagay naman siya sa box. So, hindi tayo mahirapan mamaya. Ayan. So, pabalik na tayo and tada! Nakabili na ako ng ice cream at saka ng lunch ni Nanay. Ayan. Medyo makulimlim, guys. Ayan. Medyo gloomy yung weather sa labas. Sana hindi umulan para walang masyadong turbulence yung flight. Pero, otherwise, hello, turbulence. Ayan, so, it's about 12 p.m. na. Ayan. 12:30 yung aming boarding. Or dumadali na naman ang person. Dahil ang layo natin. Nasa June! Dulo-dulo tayo. Ay, hindi po pala 12. Sorry. It's 11:46 pa lang dito. Ayan. Advance yung lalos. So, current time is 11:46 a.m. Yes. For the announcer yung peg. Ayan. Ayan. Medyo makulimlim, no? Diba? Makulimlim sa labas. Kala mo nasa labas. Makulimlim pa sa labas. Sakay tayo na walking escalator. Pahinga. Sana nakikita niyo yung nasa likod. Ayan, kaya lang hindi masyado makita. I'll show it to you later. Ayan, pakita ko mamaya yung weather outside. Pero it's dark. Dark clouds. Paka-arte, no? Sorry na. Ayan. So this is estimated another 5 minutes walk pabalik. Samahan niyo po muna ako as I sprint to gate 106. Teka lang. Magpapalit lang ako ng hawak ng camera at ng ice cream. Medyo ngalay na ako. Ayan, switching camera. And okay na. Whew. For the bit-bitang person. May bibinduan. May kid. Naglakad. Pero seryoso, ang dilim. Dumidilim mo lalo.
We have your attention, please. Cathay Pacific requests to advise you that boarding for Cathay Pacific flight CX930 Hong Kong will be delayed due to the late arrival of your family aircraft from Hong Kong.
Delayed daw yung Hong Kong. Nakichismis pa nga. Ako'y nasa 107 na. Kunti na lang. In fairness, ay ganun din pala. 4 minutes din. 5 minutes walk din. Pabalik. Yan, sorry, side view muna yung nakikita nyo. So, andito na ako sa 106. Pakainin ko lang muna si nanay para makainom ng gamot. So, yun na sila. Nay, hello. So, yan guys. Ayan, kumakain na si nanay. And, ayan, kumakain daw siya. Hello. Sige na. Gutom na matanda. Gutom na daw siya. Ayan, so pakita ko lang ulit yung view. Ayan, sabi sa inyo, medyo makulimlim. Dark clouds. O, ayan. Diba? Madilim ang kalangitan. Pero sana huwag tumuloy yung ulan. Kasi yung turbulence. Pero, mas nakabalik na ako. Medyo pahipahinga na. Ayun, kumidlat pa nga. Nakita niyo yun? Ay. Ayun. Requesting for a safe trip sa amin. Pero wala pa yung plane eh. We would be departing at 1:15. So, boarding time namin is around 12:30. So, yan. Diba? For the lakad ako. Wala pa naman tao eh. So, yan. This is our flight, 5J5056 bound to Narita. So, it's gonna leave at 1:15. Pero boarding time is 12:30. So, yan. Nandito kami sa harap. Yan. Nandito kami sa harap. Kumakain na rin si nanay. And I'll let you know of the updates pag nakasakay na kami ng plane. Yun na nga guys. So, umulan na. Umulan na. Time check, it's 12:21 and we're gonna board at 12:30. So, nagro-roll call na sila ng pasahero and ayun, nagpapacheck-in na nung hand carry kung sino yung gusto mag-check-in. Pero, ayan, umulan na. Hala. Ayan. Sana huwag masyadong malakas yung ulan, pero pwede na tayong kumanta na. And it's raining in Manila. Hindi ba? Tonto ka. Ulan na. Ulan na. I hope walang masyadong turbulence yung flight natin. Kita niyo. Diba kanina lang, ano siya, gloomy weather na may kidlat. So ngayon, it's rainy weather. Hopefully, smooth yung flight natin. I'll give you an update once na nasa loob na kami ng plane.
Nilagyan nyo na.
Wala pa po. I-check-in pa lang po. Lakad na, sige.
We'll give you updated at the status for time so as we receive more information. We will make another announcement after 30 minutes or as soon as we receive unnecessary information.
Ay, thank you. Ito po. Tatlo. Lakad. Tapos ma'am siya PWD. O, lakad na ano. Go. Thank you po. O, let's go. Jiro, bumabangga yung maleta. Traffic. Lakad na, anak. Hanggang dito na lang tayo, kuya. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman, no. Maganda po sa pinto.
Sige po. Ano ba si nanay?
Ano seat number nimo?
3E. F Sige po, salamat. Ikaw, 3E anak, si mama. Sumunod ka dun kay nanay, lakad. Go. May water. Wait lang anak. Tay, kaya? Akin na yung ibang gamit. Sige kuya, akin na yung ibang gamit. Nakiwan ko sa muna sa ito. Alalayan ko si nanay. Saglit lang. Ako na kuya, sige.
Sige, wait lang.
Sige po. Wait lang, nay. Akin.
Sige lang.
Kaya niyo po? Nak, wait lang ha.
Hindi ka kasi nagsihan na, you know?
Damo.
Okay lang ito.
Hihingi na kuya, hindi na kaya eh.
Sige. Palabasin mo.
So wala lang siyang padlock.
Siyempre, anak.
Dito lang po, 3 lang.
3F at saka E. Tapos sa likuran niyo lang ako, nay.
Dalawang white seal din sa loob. So wala na siyang white seal ngayon. Huwag mo na siya i-red seal kasi hindi yung need that. Huwag mo i-red seal. Mamaya na lang pagdating sa mga
Ako na magbubuhat ng mga gamit mamaya. Maupo muna kayo ng zero.
Dito ka.
Nay, dyan ka sa may window side. Kaya? Opo, F and E po. Wait lang po. Papasok.
Dito kayo, ma'am. Ay, sa
Ay,
likod kayo.
sa likod po ako. Anak, halika na.
Dito kayo na.
Sa likod po nila na. Nay,
Labas lang po kasi dito na.
sige po.
Sige, ma'am. Palabasin na.
Kaya nyo, kuya?
Opo.
Sige po. Si Jiro na lang sa bintana. O, anak, doon ka daw sa bintana. Si nanay sa gitna. Para pag-iihi siya. Ma'am, pwede ko yan makiusap doon sa nasa unahan. Na doon na lang ako para pag-iihi.
Pwede
siya.
naman if ever po na
Dumating
dumating na po yung nakaubo.
Sige po. Salamat po. Thank you. Nay, magpapaalam ako. Ano yun? Alisin mo yung bag mo dyan. Baka may umupo. Pag may umupo dyan, magpapaalam tayo na lilipat ako.
Hello everyone, this is Nat, and together with my team, welcome aboard to the Pacific Navy First Morning Airman. We are now ready to depart for Nagasaki, Japan, and flight aircraft is now the Manila able to survive first officer period. Our flight time is approximately 4 hours and 10 minutes. For your information, there's 1 hour time difference between Manila and Narita. Japan, be ahead. At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew will demonstrate the safety features of the aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. Two fasten push ends together, tight the seatbelt belt will use end-to-end fasten lift up a buckle for free and to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body to don the vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push ends to support. Pull tape to tighten when outside the aircraft. Pull inflation tag to inflate the head. Manual inflation is done by the other end to blow to release air, push, fit, and right to release air. Flight automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not deflate the life vest inside the aircraft unless you're reminded and authorized to remove life vest from the aircraft on station staff and is punishable by law. In case a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull the third tube, put it over your nose and mouth, pull the elastic band sideways for a snug fit, and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on till you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger rating card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the first exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide rack. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to useful exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment side. We are about to take off. Security. Keep window shades open and try to take the voice communication. Your safety and comfort are our utmost priority. Due to the potential risk of fire associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to your portable electronic devices, we request that you remove all charging cables from the instant power outlets during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices, including power banks, at this time.
guys, nasa loob na kami ng plane. So, the travel would take 4 hours and 10 minutes. And so, kumakain na kami. Si Jiro spam, si Nanay chicken, ako ay pasta. Kain muna kami. Arriving at Narita, Tokyo. So we're about to arrive in any minute now. The captain has declared the crew to be standby for arrival. Busy sila na yung kakakain ng kanina. Hihimik silang dalawa. So, ano na ngayon? It's sunset. Kaya nakikita niyo yung ray of sun na pumapasok dun sa bintana ng plane. And pababa na kami. So, 4 hours and 10 minutes yung tinagal ng flight namin. Wala naman naging problema. May mga turbulence here and there, pero safe naman. Antayin lang natin nag-announce yung crew or yung captain na we have arrived. Tapos, nag-request din ako ng assistance kay nanay. So, meron ulit maghatid sa amin. May kukuha ulit ng wheelchair and maghahatid kay nanay. So, antayin
Hello
namin.
everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Narita International Airport in Narita, Japan. Local time now is 40 minutes past 6 in the evening. Once again, there
Hi guys, we're arriving at Narita, Tokyo. So we're about to arrive in any minute now. The captain has declared the crew to be standby for arrival. Busy sila na yung kakakain ng Vitamins. Hihimik silang dalawa. So, ano na ngayon? It's sunset. Kaya nakikita niyo yung ray of sun na pumapasok dun sa bintana ng plane. Ayun, pababa na kami. So, 4 hours and 10 minutes yung tinagal ng flight namin. Wala naman naging problema. May mga turbulence here and there, pero safe naman. Oops! Ayun, sila ako. Antayin lang natin nag-announce yung crew or yung captain na we have arrived. Tapos, nag-request din ako ng assistance kay nanay. So, meron ulit maghahatid sa amin. May kukuha ulit ng wheelchair and maghahatid kay nanay. So, antayin
Hello
namin.
everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Narita International Airport in Narita, Japan. Local time now ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Also be conscious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may appear during flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, Canada flights are approved. Captain Manlogan and First Officer Murray, together with your cabin crew, thank you for making it to the Pacific and part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure.
Andito na po kami sa Japan!
Nasa Japan na.
Thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For guests,